and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Telangana government moves Supreme Court, seeking directions to governor to give assent to key bills. Sole convict in the Hathras case, Sandeep Sisodia, sentenced to life imprisonment. Supreme Court strikes down centre's rules, upholds decision of the Bombay High Court's Nagpur bench to allow lawyers with 10 years experience to be members of the district and state consumer commissions. Supreme Court to hear plea of TMC leader on March 13th for alleged misuse of crowdfunding money. PIL in Bombay High Court to allow parking under bridges and flyovers. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Telangana government moved Supreme Court, seeking directions to the state's governor, Tamilisai Soundararajan, to give assent to some important bills passed by the state legislature. The plea said that in a parliamentary democracy, the governor has no discretion to defer or delay necessary assent, as required on the bills presented for assent. Any refusal on the part of the governor, including any delay, will defeat the parliamentary democracy and the will of the people. The state government invoked the apex court's jurisdiction under Article 32, as the governor refused to give assent on several bills passed by the state legislature. A court in Uttar Pradesh Hathras district sentenced the sole convict, Sandeep Sisodia, to life imprisonment for offences of culpable homicide not amounting to murder and for offences under the SC/ST Act. The case first came to light in September 2020 with allegations of gang rape and murder of a 19-year-old Dalit girl. The bench of Supreme Court, comprising Justice M.R. Shah and Justice M.M. Sundaresh, exercising its power under Article 142 of the Constitution, directed that in future, a person having bachelor's degree from a recognized university and who is a person of ability, integrity, standing and having special knowledge and professional experience of not less than 10 years in consumer affairs, law, public affairs, administration, etc., shall be treated qualified for appointment as president and member of state and district commission. The apex court upheld the decision of the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court to quash provisions of Consumer Protection Rules of 2020, which prescribe minimum professional experience of 20 years for becoming member of State Consumer Commission and 15 years for becoming members of District Consumer Commission, and did away with the requirement of a written examination for appointment. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and Vikram Nath of the Supreme Court said it will consider on March 13th the plea filed by Trinamool Congress spokesperson Saket Gokhale, seeking bail in a case relating to alleged misuse of money collected through crowdfunding. A division bench of the Bombay High Court, comprising the acting Chief Justice S.V. Gangapurwala and Justice Sandeep Marne, sought the reply of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation on a PIL seeking to allow the parking of vehicles under bridges and flyovers when parking spaces are not available within 200 meters of such bridges and flyovers. The petition stated that in the year 2009, the state government passed an order putting restrictions on parking under bridges and flyovers if alternate parking spaces are available within 200 meters. However, the order did not deal with the cases when no such alternative parking was available within 200 meters. The petitioner stated that the smart usage of these open spaces lying vacant for car parking is truly what is supposed to be as a smart city. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.